Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. Today we are going to learn how to initialize the GitHub repository. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to create the folder. So I already created that folder. So let's go to that one, cd GitHub. So already initialized with the GitHub repository. Here you can see it's a hidden file, right? So mark this one, git init. Okay, after this we have what we have to do. We have to create any kind of files over here. Like suppose I'm going to add a new file, that is touch index.js file. I'm going to index.js, right? Index.js file. I want to add touch index.txt. Okay, if I do with ls, two files are there, right? So let's check that the what is the status of that one. So it will go with the git status. So here you can see that we have a two files already. So let's do with the add. So this is the add command to add all the files that we have. If I go with the git status again, here you can see that no commits yet there. Okay, so how to commit that one? You can do with this git commit initial commit. Okay, paste with this command. Okay, this is done. Okay, so which branch? Okay, so currently here you can see that we have to add the remote origin. So which branch you want to push? So first of all, we have to create the repository for that one, right? So I'm going to create a test repository. Okay, and description, if you want to add, you can add public, private, depends on to you. Okay, if you want to initialize with the add readme, then you can do, otherwise you can skip. Okay, by default add readme is very important for like anybody that whoever was working on the project. So it's a basic requirements, like what exactly you want. Okay, so here you can see that add a git ignore file. So which file you want to put that that should not be in come into the play in the role of the GitHub. So you can put that one into the git ignore file. So by default they have already the templates, right? So whether you go with the C++, coordinator, PHP or something, you can go with this one, right? Or anything. So you can make this like, okay, so let's create the repository. Okay, so this is the GitHub repository, right? So this is the remote URL that we have to add it over here, that add the remote URL. So if I go and just add this one remote URL, okay, so let's go and just check it out, this one. So currently here you can see that there's nothing over here. Okay, right? So let's go, and here you can see get remote add origin. So this we have to add the origin. Okay, so let's go and just paste the code over here. Okay, this is done. After this we have to go with the get branch main. So okay, so we have to push this origin main, right? Here you can see that push hyphen u origin master. So currently it's a main branch or the master. I think it's a main, might, so we have to go with this one, get push origin. And it says that the error reference per main does not match any. So I think the main branch is there or not, I don't think so. Okay, so I think master is there, right? So when I do the changes, it's a master, right? So make it master over here, right? So master git push origin, and it will asking for the username and the password. So make sure you have to go with the username and the password over here, right? Okay, so here we go with the username and the password. So here we have the go with, this is my username. Okay, so let's copy this one username. Okay, and it asking for the password, the technical Rajni github.com. So how to generate the password we are going to learn in the next video, because for this one we are going to use the access tokens. Okay, so which is expire, which have the some expiry limitations, right? So I haven't created yet because I want to teach you that one. So let's see in the next video how to create the access token, personal access tokens in the GitHub account. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. By adding the password, it automatically push the code. We will check in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.